Welcome back. Aggrieved farmers of Cuncolim are on an indefinite hunger strike demanding to revert their agricultural land. They have alleged that government has acquired their land against their will. Farmers have cautioned CM Parrikar to stop cheating people with false promises.
फोटिंगपणा परिकाराक ही स्वप्नात गोयचो मुख्यमंत्री एक बरो मुख्यमंत्री एक शिकिल्लो मुख्यमंत्री आनी एक बरो मनीस म्हणून लोकांनी परिवर्तन केल्लें आनी हें परिवर्तन फेल जालां अशें म्हाका दिसता म्हजो स्पश्ट आरोप आसा आनी परिकारान ही असली फोटिंगपणा करत जाल्यार ताजें दिल्ली जें जालां तें ताजी परिस्थिती जातली हें म्हाका 100% कॉन्फिडन्स आसा सांगपाक.
Farmers in Cuncolim are aggrieved as their land was earlier acquired by the government. After much legal formalities, the farmers lost their case in the Supreme Court. Now the farmers have asked the Cuncolim municipality and the Chief Minister Parrikar to revert their land. They said it's an agricultural land and they don't have any other source for bread and butter.
काँग्रेसी असताना आमकां फटींग पण केले आणि बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंट असताना आमकां अशेंच तेच केले तेणी हे आमकां कांयच खबर ना अशें कितें चलता ते गव्हर्नमेंट डिमांड कितें तुमी जाल्यार डिमांड आमी आमची शेत आमकां मेळ्ळे शिवाय आमी हांगचे उठपाना आनीक आमी त्या शेता शिवाय शेता बद्दल आमी कांयच करूं शकना ते आमचे फॉल्ट.
But the chairperson Devendra Desai says the land cannot be reverted to the farmers.
एकदा एक्वायर केलेले लँड दिवपाक पॉसिबल ना जर तर गव्हर्नमेंटाच्यान जाता जाल्यार त्यांच्या लेवलाचेर त्यांनी दिवपाक शकता पूण आमच्यांनी रेजोल्यूशन घेवन धाडपाक शकचे जर तर पब्लिकाक जाय मेजॉरिटी कुंकळी लोकांक तर तो प्रोजेक्ट जाय एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह बिल्डिंग जाय.
परिकारान इलेक्शनाक जातकीर पयलो मुद्दो सांगिल्लो की आपूण खंयचीच एग्रीकल्चर लँड जी आसा ती एक्वायर करचो ना म्हणून आनी परिकार हे लास्ट 2 वर्सां अक्षरशः आमकां फटयता अशें म्हजो स्पश्ट आरोप आसा. आमी 2 वर्सां पासून ताजे कडेन वता आनी गेल्ल्या खेपे तो सांगता की आपूण ताजी जमीन परत दिता म्हणून. ताणें एक मिटींग ऑर्गनायज केल्ली जातूंत डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आमचो डायरेक्टर फॉर म्युनिसिपालिटी आनी चीफ ऑफिसर आशिल्ले तातूंत ताणें तांकां अक्षरशः चोर म्हणिल्लें.
The farmers are agitated and have resorted to an indefinite strike till their demands are met. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Now a look at the other events in the state.
Goa Timeline Property Expo has now come up with its second edition at Kala Academy on 21st to 22nd December.
21st morning at 11 o'clock for an inauguration wherein Vishnu Wag and the CCP Surendra Futado and one Sudhir Jade of Bank of India is inaugurating this expo.
Shri Vaman Ashram Swami arrived in Ponda on Monday. Followers of Swami welcomed him with Dindi procession. 8 tablets were distributed to the students of Navelim Government Primary School. Fisheries Minister Avartano Futado and Sangam MLA Subhash Phal Desai were present at the function. Avartano has assured a new school building.
Old government school, I am planning to demolish it and come up with a 4-story building where all the latest equipment in the laboratory and everything will be given. I am aware Father, you are having a difficult time there, but still I have already spoken to my Honorable CM and he has agreed that more space is required and he has given me a green signal to go ahead with the new building.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Goa had to settle for a point after falling short of Hyderabad's first innings total in the Group C Ranji Trophy match at Porvorim on Tuesday. The visitors earned 3 points but stay behind Goa in the table after playing 6 matches each. The mistakes in the field came to haunt the hosts, according to Goa coach Nuvan Zoysa. His counterpart Sunil Joshi blamed the dead pitch for the draw. Only top 2 teams qualify for the Ranji Trophy quarter-finals.
I have with me the former India cricketer Sunil Joshi, who is now the coach of Hyderabad Ranji cricket team. Sunil, this result for your team, what do you get from this 3 points? Where does it take Hyderabad?
I think it's win is always a win. I'm sure we came with a plan of getting full points. I think the wicket was not conducive for either side. I mean, imagine we got a result only on the last day of the last session. I think somewhere the concerned authorities to give a sporting wicket. I mean, you can't bat for 500 runs and 470 runs. We can't win a game, you can't achieve a result in 4 days' time. That's somewhere I think the wicket needs to be looked at, and the authorities need to be taken proper care of the wicket. You give a result wicket, whether you win, whether you lose.
Me, the coach of Goa Ranji team, Nuan Zoisa. Nuan, Goa has slowly built up the winning momentum and won 2 matches on the trot, but I think the match against Hyderabad has served like a speed breaker here. What do you make of this result?
Look, I think everybody witnesses because catchers win matches, isn't it? So we drop some crucial catches, and obviously they capitalized that and they scored 500. It's chasing 500 not easy, but credit goes to our guys again, but they batted really well. But I mean, chasing 500 again is not easy, but yeah, I mean, improving. So hopefully we can do something next 2 games. So squad looks good, so players are really looking forward to play next 2 games.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.